Hello, today I'm talking about my super deluxe cheap skincare routine and makeup. You guys are going to be shocked. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Alright, I get asked all the time about my skincare routine and my makeup, so I thought I would share it again today. Mom and I shared them both, a couple, 3 or 4 years ago. We did a video on it. I'll link that in the description below and up there. So you can see what Mom does, and then what I did, and now what I do. Hasn't really changed much, but I thought I would go ahead and share it. Alright, number one. I use the Walmart generic baby shampoo. It's like $1.50 at Walmart. I get one bottle every night when I take a bath. I wash all the makeup off my face, and that's all I use for that. I don't wash my face in the morning. I just run cold water just to kind of wake me up in the morning. But I only wash my face in the evening. I just wash all my makeup off with baby shampoo. Doesn't burn your eyes. Love it. Next, in the evening, I put on this stuff called Ordinary right here. So I saw another YouTuber recommend this, and this is the Ordinary Mandelic Acid. Mandelic Acid, HA. I don't know how you say that. I'll link it in the description below. It'll be an affiliate link, so I do get a small amount if you guys buy it. But I saw another YouTuber do this, and I've been using this since December, and I really like this. This is an exfoliant, and it clears my face up. Now, you might say, "Oh, Tori, you're getting really expensive." This bottle is $12, and Ellie and I both have been using it since December, and this is May, and I just got this new bottle. So one bottle will last me a year for $12, so that's $1 a month for exfoliant right there. The next thing I do every single day is I moisturize with All Day Moisturizing Lotion with a broad spectrum sunscreen. Non-greasy compared to Olay Complete All Day Moisturizer Lotion. This is just the Walmart brand. This cost me $2.50. I use it every single morning and every night. Now I will rotate sometimes this, just so you know. Now I have cut back and I only use it like every other day. So it'll probably last me longer than a year. It'll probably last me closer to 18 months. This bottle cost me $2.50, and I've had it at least a year, probably 18 months, and it's still half full. And I put it all over my face and my neck. So I just do it all. But I've had this bottle at least a year, 18 months already, and it's $2.50. Yeah. So that's my skincare routine. Baby wash, the Ordinary Mandelic Acid, and then the Olay cheap Walmart brand moisturizer. So my care routine costs me about a little less than about $15 a year for my skincare routine. So that's like $1.50 a month for my skincare routine. That's pretty darn tootin' good, if I do say so myself. Okay, now for my makeup. I use this Dream Matte Mousse right here from Maybelline. I'll link it in the description below. I have worn the same foundation for like 25 years now. It works really good. I think this is what gives me the really smooth looking skin, is the foundation, and I love it. I wear the color Porcelain Ivory in the winter, and then the summer, as I get more tan, I mix some beige with the Porcelain Ivory, because then I'm a little darker and the porcelain is just too light then. Okay, next, for blush, I use, it's called Flower, and it's by Drew Barrymore. And this one I've had a year and a half. I'm just about ready to be done with it. You can see I'm scraping out the last little bits there. But Drew Barrymore came out with a line of makeup, and she had a Black Friday sale a year and a half ago. So I thought, oh, I'll give it a try. I love this Pyramid blush, and it's really good. And then she also has a line of lipsticks, and I love this Autumn Rose. Now this Autumn Rose is the color I'm wearing right now, and that's the Flower. These two things I got from her. Now I will tell you, I tried several other things from her line. They weren't very expensive, so I thought, oh, I'll give them a try. These are the only two products that I like from her line. I tried her setting spray, her makeup setting spray, and all it did was leave white dots all over my face. It was gross. But this Pyramid blush and the Autumn Rose lipstick are two that I really, really like, and I would order again. So that's what I use for my blush. Then for my powder, I just use e.l.f. This one is Fair Light. I used to use an old one was NYC. I think New York Color is what it was, but they don't make it anymore. So then I tried this e.l.f. and it works really good. So I put on my foundation, put on my blush, put on this, and put on my lipstick, and that's pretty much what I wear every non-show day. Now, for show days, I will also use the e.l.f. either volume pumping mascara or waterproof mascara. So I was using the waterproof, ran out, and I accidentally got the volume pumping, and I like that one. Now, eyeshadow, I'm using a brand that I tried. It's okay, but as soon as I run out of it, I probably won't buy it again, so I'm not going to recommend that to you. I used to use CoverGirl, but ever since they had Ellen DeGeneres as their spokesperson, I don't put up with none of that. So I stopped using that, but if you don't have an issue with that, then I used their brown neutral palette for a while of CoverGirl. Now, lipsticks. I get a lot of comments about my lipsticks. Now, I confess, I'm ashamed. Okay. So somehow I ended up with a crazy lipstick collection. This is one of those things where I'm not quite sure how it happened, but it just did. But I'll go through some of my lipsticks and show you. And I got this cute little lipstick tray. They're kind of falling over right now because I'm tipping it. But it's a nice little lipstick tray, and I just set it. And it's silicone. I thought that was pretty cool. I'll leave a link in the description below for that. Okay, the lipstick that... Okay, I'll wait and tell you the lipstick that I wear every single time for the show first. But let me give you a couple here. Okay, LA Matte. This one I got at Dollar General. Really like that one. This one is, well, it's called Fierce. Ooh, that's appropriate for me, isn't it? This one I use a lot, and this one stays on pretty long. This is a long wearing lipstick. Then the next one that I got, okay, Drew Barrymore's Flower Collection. This one was Autumn Rose. That's the one I have on right now. And then I got this, and I really like this. It's called In Studio. Oops. Right here, In Studio. This one is Mischievous. And this one I wear a lot. Everybody likes that one on me too. Oops, wrong spot. Okay, so then what I do is I'll put a gloss over these. And this is an LA Color hydroglyphic gloss that I got at Dollar General. Or holographic. Hydroglyphic, where did I get that? Holographic gloss right there. And then these last year, these were LA Color 2, I think. And it was just a collection for $5 that I got at Big Lots and got it for Christmas. Then the other ones I wear, this one is Retro Pink from Wet n Wild. That one's really pretty. And this one is Wet n Wild's Mauve Out of Here. Okay. See that one? Okay. So those are all the ones that I wear. Now, the number one that I wear the most, almost like 80% of the shows. So those are the other ones that I wear on the show. Okay. But the one that I wear on the show the most is Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink. Right there. Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And this one is Lover. So Michael likes this one, okay? Here, I'll put this one on over top. Now, I get it on the right. Okay. This is the one that I wear on almost every show. Why? Because it will stay on your lips. I will wash my face before bed and I'll wake up in the morning and it's still on. It just stays that well. Now, granted, I don't just scrub my lips really hard to get it off or anything like that. But this is the one everybody keeps asking me about. Maybelline Matte Ink in Lover is the lipstick that I wear for almost all the shows. That is my super simple makeup routine. And I know I have all these lipsticks, but like 6 of these are from a lip gloss collection that I got at Christmas. And the rest I've collected, and I've had all of these for, some of them I've had like 10 years. Like this one I've probably had 10 years. Oh, that's bad. I know that's bad. But I really like it. And it's really pretty. So, anyway, I know. Just comment below. I get it anyway. So, and then, that's all I do. So I maybe spend around maybe $20 a year on my makeup, skincare, and makeup routine. I don't really spend a lot, 20 to 25. This foundation lasts me a good 8 months at least. The mascara, oh my goodness, it'll last me a year to year and a half. I know you're supposed to change it like every 2 months or something. Now, I will say one thing about this. If I start breaking out, this is what I switch out, because something got in my foundation and then my foundation will cause a breakout. So if you use that and then you start breaking out, you didn't wash your hands before you put it on, and you got some bacteria in there, and then it's going to cause you to break out. So just switch it out. I know you're like, oh, I don't want to waste a half a bottle of it. Believe me, it's not worth fighting the acne to save yourself $3.50. This is like $7. So that very rarely happens, but in the 25 years I've been using it, 26 years I've been using it, it's happened 3 or 4 times, and then by the second time I realized that's what it was, and so now if it happens I throw it out. So that's my $25 a year makeup routine for someone who's almost 50. I'll be 49 this year. Nothing special. Honestly, I think part of it is good genetics. The other part is that I don't drink and I don't smoke. I've heard that stress causes you to age quicker. I would think I would be 150 if that was the case, but I don't know. But that's my makeup routine. I think I can just mostly thank my mom and grandma for good genes. Thanks, Mom. All right, guys, please visit us at livingonadime.com. I hope that helps you, and we will see you guys next time.